Letter A makes the sound A. A. Let's listen to the story of A ant and A alligator and learn the A sound words.
Once upon a time, in the jungles of Africa, there lived a lot of animals. Andy, the ant, and with his friend Augie, the alligator. They loved eating apples. One day, a hunter came with his axe. He wanted to cut the tree with his axe. And alligator got angry. Alligator tried to scare the hunter, but he had an axe. So, the ant bit the hunter on his ankle, and the hunter ran away.
To learn the letter sound through phonic stories, join our English practice program at Ivykids. Stay tuned for the next phonic story.